Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams when there's no sound during video calls. This is a frustrating issue that can disrupt your meetings, but fortunately it's usually quite simple to resolve by checking a few key settings. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Near your profile icon, you'll see three dots there. Go ahead and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where you'll be able to access all the configuration options for Teams, including the audio settings we need to adjust. Once the settings window opens, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll find several categories listed. Click on Devices. This section is specifically designed to manage all your hardware connections, including your microphone, camera, and most importantly, for our case, your speakers. It's the control center for all your audio and video peripherals within Teams. Now, scroll down until you find the audio section. Within this area, locate the option labeled Speaker. This is where Teams lets you choose which audio output device to use during calls. Take a moment to review the device that's currently selected. Make sure to choose a device that's working properly. If you're not sure which one to pick, try selecting different options from the drop-down menu until you find one that you know is functioning. Sometimes Teams might default to a disconnected or disabled device, which is why you're not hearing any sound. Next, we're going to verify the settings at the system level to ensure everything is configured correctly outside of Teams as well. Navigate to your computer settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and then the Settings icon. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type Audio. This will help you quickly find the sound-related settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. From the search results, click on Sound Settings. This will take you to the main audio configuration page for your entire computer. Here you'll see all the input and output devices available on your system, along with volume controls and other audio preferences. On the Sound Settings page, look for an option that says Manage Sound Devices and click on it. This section shows you all the audio devices connected to your computer, both enabled and disabled. It's a comprehensive overview that lets you control which devices are active. Now, find a speaker device from the list and click on it to select it. Once selected, you'll see a button labeled Test. Click on Test to check if the device is producing sound. You should hear a test tone or sound effect. If you hear something, great, that device is working. If not, try testing other speaker devices from the list until you find one that works. Finally, let's try the built-in troubleshooting tool that Windows provides. Go back to the previous screen and locate your speaker device again. This time, click on Troubleshoot next to the device. Windows will run an automated diagnostic that checks for common audio problems and attempts to fix them automatically. Simply follow the instructions that appear on screen. The troubleshooter might detect issues like incorrect drivers, disabled services, or configuration problems, and it will guide you through the steps to resolve them. After completing the troubleshooting process, return to Microsoft Teams and test your audio during a call. The sound should now be working properly, and you'll be able to hear other participants clearly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.